Alright, so finally it's time for unboxing. So I had ordered this from Flipkart and it contains a desktop chair, and you won't believe me, it cost me just rupees 3500 and delivery is included. So let's unbox. So our chair had come in a neat and clean box, and unboxing it was quite easy and fun as well. Once everything was done, I finally took out all the materials inside. Firstly, there was a seat back or the backrest of the chair neatly covered in a plastic. The quality of the mesh was really very nice. Ouch! Damn my cutter! Shit. Just a minute while I keep it to the side. Yep. So let's get back to the work. Next up, what I find is, okay, so it's a gas spring and it's empty. So it's a box in a box. Okay, so we have an empty box of a gas spring within a box. That's great. Anyways, so then there was a set of the chair handles. I must say that the carbon fiber build of the handles were really very strong and durable. Next up, yes, the heaviest part, the leather white foam base of the chair. The quality was really very nice. Finally, the 5-wheeled base of a chair, black color with fine wheels revolving as I play with them. That's my job. Yeah, and nicely built, steady and strong. And finally we receive the box. Yes, the gas spring, the base of our chair that should have been contained in that empty box, but it was empty. So searching for any other equipments or materials, no, there's nothing except me in the box. So after assembling all the parts, we have the chair mesh. Then next up we have the gas spring. After that, the white foam base of a chair, the 5-wheeled base, and also the empty box of the gas spring. And also we have a guitar. No, we don't have a guitar. That's mine. Next, our job was DIY or do it yourself, the job of assembling the chair. It was a really easy job. You just need to unloosen the screws, and then we had to fix the chair handles. Yeah, so the screws came out very easily with a simple screwdriver, and fixing the handle to the chair base wasn't a tough job at all. It was time consuming, but I completed the entire job within 3 hours. And you don't need help of anyone else, it's a self-sufficient job. You just need to fix the screws and tighten it properly with a screwdriver. The instruction manual and everything is well given within the box itself, and also you can refer to the video or any other video on YouTube if you need. So now we are almost at the end of building our chair. So it's a part when we fix the bottom to the base of the chair. Make sure you put pressure and tighten all the parts so that you don't fall like Jack and Jill after sitting on the chair. So finally, it's time to fix our backrest to the chair. This wasn't a tough job at all. Simply, it's a sliding mechanism, and if you can just fit properly and tighten all the parts, then the backrest just slides in within the chair, and after tightening the screws, it's completed. And here it is. So finally, we have completed our Timber Cheese office executive chair, and it's working fine. Now, to leverage the chair, just push the knob to adjust the chair height. The hydraulic system contains a simple lever which can be used upwards or downwards to increase or decrease the height respectively. The tilting mechanism really works fine. You just need to push the knob in and out to lean on the chair. If you are searching a chair for making videos on YouTube or any other platform, or a desktop chair for your office work or school works, then Timber Cheese provides you just the perfect chair when budget is a constraint. Well, these chairs are available on various e-commerce sites like Flipkart and Amazon. I have provided all the required links in the description. You can check out the variety of colors available in the different sites. And a great news for all of you dear viewers. Once you buy this chair, you'll get a WhatsApp number along, and once you call on that WhatsApp number, your warranty shall be activated. And also, if you tell them about this code that is showing you on the screen, you are going to get a good discount. So that's a great offer. Without wasting any time, just grab on and buy Timber Cheese leather chair. It's the perfect match for you.
Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh.
Well, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and you can always ask me any queries in the comment section itself. Do like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you so much.